Hello students, welcome to Competitive Exam Library YouTube channel. Today we are going to see another problem based on the block diagram reduction technique which is given in the previous question papers. So here if you observe this diagram, so in this diagram he is asking to find what is the C of S divided by R of S which is given in the problem. So if you observe this problem, so there are three summing points are there. So just I will highlight, see there are three summing points are there, after that you will have three feedback elements are there. So what is the first step we can do is, let us rearrange. See, if you rearrange this summing points, what will happen? So you see here, let us start, let us give the numbers for this summing point. I will give the numbers for this summing points are, so let us give, this is number 1, this is number 2, so number 3. So if you arrange, so first see the third one. So in the third one, if you observe this summing point, it is starting from here going to G3, then it is connecting to H1, then it is connecting to H2, and it is coming back like this. See this is the path which is given. So starting from G3, then it is going for H1, then it is going for H1, then it is coming for H2, then it is coming back like this. So we can rearrange this summing point. Another summing point also you can see, G2 here, G2 starting from G2 going to G3, then it is coming to like this, then it is coming to H1, then it is coming to this summing point. Let us arrange this diagram in the next step. Okay. So this is the rearrangement. After that, you see what you have to observe. You have to observe, is there any feedback elements are there. So if you observe here, there are feedback elements is also there. You can see there is first we will solve this feedback element. So let us solve this feedback element. So if you solve this feedback element, what is the answer you are going to get? The answer you are going to get, here it is. So what we can write, that is, so first these two are in series. So let us reduce this. So these two are in series. So with this series, so what you are going to get the answer? The answer will be, you are going to get, here it is, H1 and H2. So after this reduction, you can reduce that as, so you can reduce this, you can reduce this this thing feedback or not. So let us reduce this whole thing with the feedback. Let us solve that. So in the next step. So now that block is reduced. Now how these two are connected? These two are connected in series. So let us resume that. If you resume that which are connected in series, what is the answer you are going to get? That is G2 G3 whole divided by 1 plus G3 into so H1 H2. So after this reduction, so you will have for this block, so for this block you have one feedback element also there. So let us resume this entire with this feedback block. So with this these two are in series and this is feedback. So let us reduce that in the next step. So now you observe this, these two are connected in series or not. So now we can reduce, say these two are connected in series. After that you will have a feedback. So you will have this entire feedback can be represented like this. So these two are first we will write. So let us write this as series elements. After that we will reduce this entire whole feedback. That we will do in the next step. After that, so if you take LCM in the numerator and the denominator, then final answer I am going to write here it as C of S whole divided by R of S. When you take LCM, so the term which is there in the numerator LCM and denominator LCM will cancel and it will get multiplied here. So let us multiply and write the final answer here. So this is the final answer of your given block diagram reduction technique. That's all in this video. We'll solve another problem in the next video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. If you have any query, please make comment in the comment box. I can reply. Thank you very much.